Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika. As we all know that this year has almost come to an end and New Year's Eve is just around the corner, so I created this look for that. So without any further ado, let's begin. At first I'm going to moisturize my face and I'm using this moisturizer from VLCC. And to hydrate my lips, I'm using this lip balm from Joy. As always, I'm going to start by concealing my eyelids and I'm using this Kiss Beauty concealing palette for that. And then I'm blending the concealer with the help of this beauty sponge. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder on the top of my concealer to set it. For eye makeup, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Hilary Ruda and I'm dipping into this pink shade and I'm applying it as a transition shade all over my eyelid. After that, I'm dipping into this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll be again applying it as a transition shade. Now I'm dipping into this dark green shade with the help of a wet brush and I'll be applying it on the top of my eyelid all the way from my lash line up to my crease. After that, with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm blending the edges of the eyeshadow. After that, I'm dipping into this grey shade with the help of a fluffy brush and I'll be applying it above my crease line to give my eyes more depth and to smooth the edges of the eyeshadow. I'll blend it out, mostly focusing on my outer corner and then gradually bringing it towards my inner corner. Just to give more pigmentation, I'm applying the same green eyeshadow on the top of my eyelid. Now I'm taking this shimmery green eyeshadow and I'm applying it on the top of my eyelid, mostly focusing it on the center. With the help of a flat curved brush, I'm blending the edges of eyeshadow. My eye makeup is done and I'll be doing the same on my second eye also. Moving on to face, I'm using this face primer from Lotus and I'll be applying it mainly on my T-zone areas just to fill in my pores and to get a smooth base. I'm applying this liquid illuminator on the top of that to get the dewy and glowy base. It is clearly visible how my skin is glowing. Now I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me foundation with the help of a damp beauty sponge. To set my base, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and I'll be applying it with the help of a flat kabuki brush. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using the same grey shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm filling my brows with the help of an angled brush. I'm using this eyeliner from Lakme 925 to line my lash line. To coat my lashes, I'm using this Kiss Beauty mascara. I'm applying this dark green shade closer towards my lower lash line. Now I'm applying mascara onto my lower lashes as well. To powder contour my face, I'm using this iTex Dazzler Classic Compact Powder. It is a 2-3 shade darker than my face, so I'm using it as a contour. For blush, I'm using this shade from the eyeshadow palette and this eyeshadow palette is from Hilary Ruda. I'm applying blush little bit on my chin and on my nose as well. Now I'm applying highlighter and I'm using this highlighter from Ronzal Cosmetics And I'm applying highlighter on the highest points of my face, like my cheeks, my chin, my bridge of the nose and my forehead. Now with the help of a sponge applicator, I'm highlighting my brow bone. For lipstick, I'll be giving you two options. First, I'm going to be applying a nude lipstick, and this lipstick is from Lakme. In this look, my eyes will be the center of attraction for my face makeup. And in the other one, I'll be using this beautiful pink liquid lipstick from Kiss Beauty. Here is the completed look. I'm liking this look more than the first one, so I'll be moving forward with this one. And this is my final finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and liked the look. And if you do like the look, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.